Hello, everyone. I'm Stacy Scott, and I'm back with Graham Wickham, President and CEO of Wickham Financial and Insurance Services. And it's time again for our weekly wrap-up. Graham, we've seen a really volatile week this past week. Can you shed some light on what's been going on?
Yeah, thank you, Stacy. Really a lot of volatility this week. I think this week alone, the respective indexes probably off anywhere from 5% odd. So as our listeners know, we've been kind of getting everyone prepared, or hopefully you've been listening to what we're saying, is that we're moving into a period of a lot more volatility. The market's making a shift from growth and high speculation to what we call a little bit more value, maybe a little more boring sides of the market. That doesn't necessarily mean bonds. That just means more boring sides of the market, like strong dividends, strong earnings, not the speculation of earnings. The market's moving away from that. So that's what we're seeing. We're starting to see that real momentum, that real collapse into this. Now, knowing that, and we're recording this the following week, we saw carryover. I'm going to go ahead and tell everyone, listen, we're recording this on Monday, and we've seen some carryover. A big drop in the market on Monday based off of Friday's close. Not unexpected. Usually you get that flush, you get that push, and a massive reversal. And I'll comment a bit on that next week when we look past and look back at this week. But big flush in the market, downward, big rush to buy. Usually these bottoms don't correct themselves overnight. Expect a pattern of maybe some bounces and then selling off, bounces, selling off. But our overall goal and objective for our clients, our listeners out there, understand what you own, understand why you own it and your time horizon. Make sure you're comfortable with the risk you're taking. Do some extra deep diving. If you're working with someone, they should be doing that for you. If you do it yourself, spend the time. I know we're doing that for our clients. We've already planned ahead and talked exhaustively about what to expect, and we're already seeing it right now. But we think the more boring sides of the market, being more balanced in your approach, making sure you got cash on the sidelines for whatever needs you have in a very short run, like within a year period, it's there, it's readily available and not tied up into stocks. But just getting that volatility that we expected right now.
Right. Well, what would you suggest for our viewers? What does an investor consider doing in this situation?
Well, I think the best advice I can ever give, and I've been in this business almost 30 years or approaching 30 years, so it's hard for me to think about it. It's been that long. But you know what? Checking your emotions at the door is probably one of the best things. That you never want to overreact. You made a business decision to plan your portfolios, your investments, your financial plan, your wealth plan. Just because we have volatility in the market doesn't mean you make big changes. It doesn't mean you don't make some adjustments or fine tuning. Never hurts to take some profits when you have great gains. But now's not the time to panic. Now's the time to revisit your plan, ensure your confidence in that plan so you can ride this out going forward. Just a good balanced approach between growth and value and bonds and stocks and cash is always going to be the best method to ride out these more volatile times.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Hey, Graham, I want to show our viewers a few things that we've got going on here. We have a few publications that we are so excited to be a part of. The first one is this most recent issue of the Cobb in Focus magazine, the January-February issue. We have the cover story, and you have provided a lot of good information about our company and our philosophy in this article. And then you've written, you were a collaborator on this book, Retirement Strategies for the New Economy, and you have a great chapter in that.
Hold it up a little bit more. Let's see it.
Sorry. So this recently just came out and is an Amazon bestseller. So we're very excited about those two publications. Lots of good information out there in those. And also wanted to remind our viewers that we do have our Retirement Planning Today class coming up. We have a Saturday class that has a few spots still available. So if you or someone you know is interested about learning the A to Z of retirement planning, please give us a call here at the office or check us out on our website, and we will be happy to get you registered for that class and start off 2022 with retirement planning. So very exciting. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you again next week.
You got it. Thank you, Stacy. Thank you all. Have a great day.